What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 5W30 synthetic oil. Through extensive research and testing, I'd put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Mobil Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30. If you are looking for an oil that only delivers peak performance but is excellent for its cleaning ability, this 5W30 viscosity Mobil synthetic motor oil has got you covered. Its wonderful detergent quality helps to prevent harmful damaging deposits and sludge buildup. This remarkable feat makes this oil excellent for soiled and dirty environments. It has excellent extended oil change intervals. According to Mobil, you can run up to 20,000 miles between an oil change and protect the engine throughout the operations. It retains enough viscosity that protect the engine from any extreme temperature conditions. The advanced formula safeguards the engine from oxidation to prevent oil from thermal breakdown. With its exceptional cold temperature capabilities, the oil increases pumpability at low temperatures and provides a quick start, which incredibly helps reduce wear. This oil also helps to improve fuel economy.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Valvoline Synthetic SAE 5W30 oil. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Oil is researched and tested as the best 5W30 synthetic oil. It is engineered and designed to provide overall engine performance and protect major parts of the engine from all possible causes. When engine oil is made, it is meant to be protective in 4 main causes of engine failure, which are wear, friction, heat, and deposit. This Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 oil delivers the best performance in these 4 possible causes. Over time, when the oil ages, the engine oil begins to break down and causes more wear in engine-critical components. These make the oil become less effective at lubricating all the critical parts and absorbing heat. However, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is formulated with advanced anti-wear additives that deliver the best protection from wear from any origin. Also, its antioxidant formula protects oil from degradation and breakdowns. With its excellent additive formula, this oil remains as viscous as an oil should be in any extreme weather conditions. That is to retain thinness in cold climate weather for oil to flow and thickness in hot climate weather to lubricate all the engine parts. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Oil ensures the best performance. This oil with the right filter will increase the overall lifespan of your engine. It meets the API-SP classification protecting GDI, gasoline direct injection, engines from LSPI, low-speed pre-ignition.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Castrol 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Castrol 03057 GTX Magnatech 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides instant protection from any kind of possibility of engine damage. This oil is especially designed for stop-and-go driving and short-distance driving, as most of the wear occurs during this time. Most of the time, as soon as the car stops, the engine oil drains off to the reservoir. The next time the engine starts, the oils begin to recirculate. In this situation, the critical engine part remains vulnerable to wear and other engine damage. But this full synthetic oil's intelligent molecule prevents the oil from instantly being drained off to the sump when the engine stops. Moreover, It helps the oil to adhere to critical parts, creating an oil coat that protects the engine from start to entire driving cycle. Castrol GTX Magnatech 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil sets itself an industry standard as an excellent wear protective oil. It offers 6 times better protection than its industry counterparts. This is also great at protecting the engine from harmful deposits and sludge buildup.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Castrol Edge Synthetic Motor Oil. This is another great oil from Castrol, which offers the best performance as 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil. Castrol is a leading brand in the field of high-performance engine oils for all kinds of automotive. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered with titanium technology that helps to reduce the stress and friction in today's high-pressure engines. The fluid titanium technology physically transforms under pressure. Its intelligent molecular structure creates a strong shield between engine surfaces. By doing this, the Castrol Edge oil reduces friction by up to 20% and protects against wear and tear. It also keeps the engine clean, reducing sludge and deposit buildups. Some authentic owners reported such improvement that it instantly reduces piston slap, less drag on the camshaft and internal engine frictional losses. The engine runs smoother and fuel economy is improved.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Royal 5W30 Synthetic Motor Oil. Royal Purple's API-licensed synthetic motor oil combines premium base oils with proprietary additive technologies to create high-performance motor oils that optimize engine performance. Royal Purple's API-licensed motor oil delivers superior protection and improves performance in gasoline and diesel engines. Royal Purple's API-licensed SN motor oil meets ILSAC GF5 and DEXOS 1 performance requirements. Royal Purple oil filter features 100% synthetic microglass media for superior particle removal with 99% filtration efficiency at 25 microns. This product is designed with a high-performance silicone anti-drain back valve that prevents dry starts, even in extreme conditions, and an extra heavy-duty rubber base gasket that ensures a leak-free seal. The Royal Purple oil filter also provides an ultra-strength filter housing that can endure higher burst strength than conventional filters. Royal Purple filters are fully compatible with all synthetic and conventional oils, provide superior particle removal, high performance, optimized flow characteristics for maximum performance, and longer filter life.